So we've come from England and we decided to use Sri Lanka driver hire, and we're about halfway through our Sri Lankan holiday and we're having such an amazing time. Our driver is called Nawal and he's really lovely. He's early in the morning till late in the evening, making sure we're getting fed, making sure we're getting looked after, making sure we're seeing all of his amazing country in Sri Lanka. We couldn't ask for better. We've got lots of friends in England that want to come, and we're definitely going to pass his details on. We can't recommend this tour and Nawal enough. Just having a really amazing time.
Yeah, definitely. Really amazing holiday.
Hi, we've just finished our 2-week vacation in Sri Lanka. We've travelled all around the country with Panda, saw so many amazing things, and my favourite thing was the safari park.
My favourite thing was the food. Hamda's a great driver, the company's great, highly recommend.
No problems the whole trip.
Hello, here we are today with our friend Romesh from Driver Hire. So we spent 8 days in Sri Lanka using this service from Driver Hire. And Romesh was a really nice driver. He was always driving like super careful. He was helping us so much. He had a really nice car. Everything was super clean. Hello, here we are today with our friend.
Yeah, and also the lovely little extras, the lovely trying all the local fruits, coconut water, yeah, just really lovely experience, and really felt like our family were cared for. We've got 2 daughters, yeah, it's been the driving and the vehicle is so comfortable. You can sleep or look at the beautiful views. So yeah,
Great
really
times.
a great time.
Hello, we live in Charlotte.
And we've spent the last 3 weeks in Sri Lanka with Catherine, who's been our amazing driver, and has taken us around to a whole load of places.
Temple, jewellery shops, where they mine all the diamonds and all the gems and that. Taken to beaches, done a bit of surfing, we've done temples over there, we've done wood carving, where else have we done? Done Ella, Candy.
Yeah, all of the safaris, we've seen some really amazing things, lots of amazing animals.
Every day he provided us water,
Wi-Fi, getting the SIM card.
fruit in the way, on the roads, if we were hungry.
Yeah, and obviously it's been such an important holiday for us for our honeymoon, and Ramesh has made that really special. We're really grateful, and we would thoroughly recommend Ramesh to anyone else.